just arrived in the beautiful hotel. Just got some water. Thomas is checking into the room. And then we're gonna go up in a minute. En hier kun je de...
Dat is voor jullie.
Oké. Maar daar riekt hier naar parfum?
Ja, ruikt hier steek.
Is dat echt, hè?
Ja, ja. Als je echt een goede parfum moet, this is the place.
Oh wel.
Good morning. Me and Peter, we just woke up. But our neighbors on the other hand, Thomas and Svea, they've been up for 1 hour, went to the gym, they went to swim, did an ice cold bath. It's crazy. That's how motivated you can get if you're doing well in e-com. If you're doing well in e-com, that's the life you should be living, man. Alright, Thomas had a long life dream of driving with a Lamborghini. So we're gonna do that today. Our driver for today will be Mr. Poppa. He'll be taking care of us. Let's go.
Ja,
So, for the first time ever, gonna sit inside of a Lamborghini.
just hear this one. Sick, bro.
It's already worth the money.
Yeah. if I smile, it's worth the money.
Yeah.
450k.
So we decided we're quickly gonna do a drive to the desert because on the desert
Dit is 350k.
easier to just drive without any crazy stuff that can happen.
Do you have internet on thing? Shit, man.
What the?
It's a beast, dude. The car is a beast. And it's straight. Push, 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 push. Max, Max.
After an entire day driving around in the Lambo, for me, I'm done. Like, my friends are still driving, but yeah, the milkshake, 5 guys, and then the Lambo is not a good combination. But I'm gonna quickly see a friend of mine, a very, very good friend of mine, and you'll see him in a minute. Duano! Wow. Good morning, it's the first day of the affiliate world. I'm here with 2 e-com gurus from the Foldy, and together we're going to the Dubai Affiliate World Conference. Let's go. Hi, good morning, welcome.
It was awesome. We now have basically a mentor and a group.
Met some interesting people, other agency owners, always really, really cool to meet them, to see how they are working. At this moment, I'm looking for my friends. I have no idea where they're at, but I'll quickly find them because the next thing I want to see on stage is at 2.
So it means I still have time. So far, one of the main things I've learned is I should more, and maybe you as well, should put more effort and time in creating your avatar. I think it's one of the things that we neglect the most, and we just want to start spending and start scaling. But if you don't understand the avatar, you won't be able to scale because you need to know what sells and why they buy stuff. So you might have seen this on Facebook before. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right, so you might have this problem, and I think this guy might be the solution to this problem. So let's ask him what he does and how he can solve that problem. First of all, who are you and what do you do?
Yeah, my name is Moose from Unlimited Scaling, and we help advertisers, dropshippers scale without having their pages getting down. We can reactivate them, we can always keep their score high and make sure they can advertise without having any feedback score issue.
Okay, before we go there, how come people's Facebook pages go down? What is the main concern?
So the big thing, like everyone think like they can set up Facebook at 8 weeks and they will receive the reviews after 8 weeks.
Yeah.
It's totally wrong. Facebook wants to make sure that you deserve great value to your customers. Facebook want to make sure you're not like leveraging on them on a bad intention, you know? So they will be like asking stuff to your customers. They will see like how you behave. They will like, the algorithm will try to find flags about your account to see like you're worth it or not actually. So you must like show to Facebook a great reputation, you know? So this way you're not getting blocked. And people got blocked like after, let's say, few days, few weeks, and they're like, what the f***? And when people didn't even receive their products. Yeah, but why bro, you're deleting the comments? Why you always like switching the pages? This same ads, you advertised it on another page like a few weeks before. Like, and there's a lot of red flags.
So if you would, like before repairing it, like let's hope, put in stuff that you don't need repairing, how do you fix that problem then? Like how do you come in and how can you solve that problem?
Yeah, basically just having like Facebook employee, Facebook partners, basically like whitelist you and give you some advantages.
Okay.
As easy as that. But like you need to deserve it. It needs to be like a win-win thing.
Okay.
Of course, like if you're doing some kind of literal shady shit,
Yeah.
like it will not work. But like if you have something winning and you know that you need just few weeks to get it sorted and have a better logistic and everything getting better, okay, then it can be a match, you know?
Cool. Where can people find you?
Yeah, just Moose Unlimited Scaling, Instagram, moose.com, easy peasy.
All right, thanks.
Here
Thank
we
you
are.
very much. Right, I think we found a dropshipping millionaire. So we're gonna ask him the question if you can still start dropshipping even if you never ever did something before. So what's your name?
Mark Bednar.
All right, Mark. Question: can you still start dropshipping because you're a successful dropshipper? You're still doing it right now, right?
Yes.
All right. Can you still start from scratch? Like, let's say somebody wants to start dropshipping tomorrow. Do you think there's still a possibility that that person can make success with dropshipping?
Honestly, I think so, that there is a way, but it's definitely way harder. And if I were to start from scratch, I would probably go for branding directly, because what's super hard is the moment you're starting dropshipping and you start with the old model like AdSpy, scraping the videos and everything, Facebook will pretty much f you over. So you would be losing ad accounts, you'll be losing pages, losing BMs. And I guess also like the big one is you will need to find people that you will be able to network with, because one of the biggest, I guess, shortcuts that I have in my journey was actually starting to get to networks, you know. But when you're starting out and you have very little budget, you're like you said, you're new, right?
Yeah.
Let's say you're some student, you're 20 years old, and you want to start making some money. You don't even know where to go, right?
Yeah.
So, and you don't have cash to spend even on mentorship like with Alex, right? Because I mean, that alone was like what, 8-10K?
Wow.
So I would say networking, big one, and I always say that. And then number two, I would start, not even like branding as such, but just pick products carefully. Don't pick products that are like sketchy, risky, right? So pick products that are even like home decor, safe niches, right? Just start slow. Order the products from AliExpress or from Amazon. Shoot the content yourself. Get some solid images from some graphic designers from Fiverr. So you can start, yes. It's very hard, yes, but there are, you know, it's like if you want it bad enough, you will always get it, right? Another thing is, should you start on Facebook? Should you start on TikTok? That's honestly a very hard question for me. I'm a Facebook guy, right? I started with Facebook. We try to right now diversify, but we're still dependent on Facebook. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's a sufficient answer, but
Yeah, definitely. That's more than
pretty much it.
more than I ever asked for.
All right.
Good morning. Today is day 2 of the Affiliate World Conference. This time we have Peter that is joining us as well. Yesterday he wasn't feeling too good. today it's feeling better. So I'm gonna take you guys, show you around, see what's happening.
Okay, so
Be on TikTok.